In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your sound output device on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select system, and then on the right side, go ahead and select sound. And then at the top, there should be a drop down where it says choose where to play sound. You can select your speakers or select a different device if you want. If you want to install a new one, you can select add a device and then walk through the on-screen instructions on that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.